I think being able to see the future, obviously, and also being passionate, and oftentimes, I know this is going to be contrary, and every Harvard professor is probably going to scream, but it's probably not always diversification. I wouldn't exactly say we've made our family fortune based on great diversification when we were all into real estate. Everything we did was hard assets. We weren't diversified. We believed in a certain category. We were damn good at that category, and that category grew extremely quickly. And we made a fortune off of it. I think a lot of times you have people who go out and they'll put 2% into bonds and 2% into stocks and 2% into crypto and 2%, right. And at the end of the day, you're not going to move any different than an ordinary market can move. It's a little bit hard to break out of the pack when you're doing the exact same thing as the pack is doing. So, listen, I think being able to look ahead and see the future. And that's certainly what I'm doing in crypto. And the future is crypto on every single front, on payment rails, on obviously Bitcoin being digital gold. There's no question on just a modernization of finance, having 24-hour finance, having much more efficient finance, having less fees, having less costs, being more transparent. But listen, if you look out and look at what AI's done, look at what quantum's done. Look what's happening in so many of kind of the energy advances, and look how parabolic those stocks and those companies are going. I think you have to, look out and be very good and harness your efforts and exploit your talents. And, that's how you do well in life.